Alright guys, welcome back to the Cockadoodle Crew channel. We're out here doing some more projects on this Stock Trailer Chicken Coop. And as you saw, I was moving our Premier 1 electric poultry netting off of the area where we've had the adult chickens all winter, where we've been keeping them protected and kind of contained. And then now they're free ranging. It's springtime, they're free ranging at this point, and we are going to utilize that electric netting for the baby chicks that have been in the Stock Trailer Chicken Coop. So, just giving you an update.
Cockadoodle Crew! Cockadoodle Crew! Cockadoodle Crew!
And we're going to run this electric poultry netting around there, and then I'm going to have to fashion up an entrance for us so myself and the kids don't have to worry about turning on and off the electric fence as we come in and out, just as we did with the adults chicken coop, the way it was set up before. We kind of like that system where you can just utilize your feeding and watering without having to turn on and off or worry about getting shocked by the electric fence. So anyway, that's what we're doing, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so you've seen me doing a little bit of work on this electric fence charger situation. To the steps of the side door on my chicken coop, I have put a couple of 4x4s, and I'm just grabbing whatever I have laying around here in the yard as something to use. We are about to turn this fence charger on and see how it works, and then we should be able to let the baby chicks out and see how they like having a whole bunch more room than they've had inside the stock trailer. I call them babies, but teenagers, probably more accurate. They're 5 to 7, 6 to 8 weeks old at this point. So anyway, you will see the size of them when they come out of the trailer here. And this is just the test run, and I'm sure we'll run into some issues because I really want them to be able to come underneath the stock trailer for protection from overhead predators, get out of the sun. And I know the chickens really like getting underneath objects like they do at the other coop. So that's the main thing we're trying to do here, is give them several ways to stay protected with the electric fence, going under the trailer, and have access to the pasture for grass. This is a semi-permanent installation here, so we will be able to move it. It won't take too many minutes to tear it down and move it into another area in the pasture. But this is not fully permanent and not daily mobile either or. It's going to take a few minutes of work to get it to move. So anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for keeping up with the Cockadoodle Crew. We'll see if these chicks like getting out into the yard in the sunlight, and the breeze is picking up, but it's still a beautiful day out here in the springtime in April in Kansas. So anyway, that's where we're at. And I think I saw Joella pulling in after school, so we'll see if she wants to come down and help us let them out for the first time. Hey Joella! Well, you want to come out with the chickens? You can go in the side door, but they're really ready to come out. So you can go inside there and I'll open the back door and then you can come out. Okay.
And we'll chase them too.
You think you'll chase them out?
Come on. Come on. Do we have to take them off?
I'm going to turn on the electric fence.
Can you get me down? Or like fly kind of?
Okay, let's just leave them alone and let them get used to it.
Okay. Thanks, I never heard about.
We want to make it where the door can't slam shut on us. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Pinky's out.
Okay, what are you going to tell them? Thanks for watching.
Cockadoodle Crew.
Okay, tell them from the beginning.
Thanks for watching Cockadoodle Doo. Oh yes, Cockadoodle Crew, not Cockadoodle Doo.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, say it one more time.
Keep watching Cockadoodle Crew. Keep watching Cockadoodle Crew.
All right, welcome back to another Cockadoodle Crew quickie project. I've been needing to get my meat birds, the Cornish cross birds that I have out with what I call the baby chickens, which are now really teenagers. I'm needing to get the meat birds away from the laying hen chicks. So anyway, I have this chicken tractor which I used last summer for my younger flock, and it's been sitting outside and the wind caught a hold of the lid and blew it off and broke the frame out. So anyway, I'm just out here today fixing the frame of the lid and trying to make it stronger, and then we'll drag it back out into the pasture and move the meat birds into this chicken tractor. And I just thought you might find this little project interesting. It goes along with what we've been doing. So anyway, stay tuned. Hardware bucket. So I think just a little bit of resistance will help keep that closed from the wind. and my wife's hair tie right there. Gonna hold her closed, and hopefully something the kids can get on and off, and we'll do that for now. See if we need to change it up later. Anyway, there we go. Alright, so I want to give you a quick tour of this chicken tractor. I actually made it last year. It's 4 foot wide by 8 foot long. I used old boards that I had, and they were 1x6s, I think, and I ripped them down to 1x3s, made the frame out of that, and I think it'll hold these meat birds just fine. It is not easy to move around. It is not a design that is perfected, but I know everybody's interested in seeing what someone else does for their chicken tractor. So you do have a lid that can lift here, a wire lid, and you can of course lift up the big tin lid as well. Here's the chicken door, and that's where the chickens will come in and out. I will put a carabiner on here, which I had last year, to secure this lock right here every night. And so if we end up letting them out, which these meat birds probably won't be coming in and out, but that's just a place that needs locked up, they can get up off the ground here in this back area and stay under cover. They probably won't perch, or if they do perch, they have a perch there. But yep, this is heavy to the ground. Predators can't get up underneath there, and it's got some rain protection, got plenty of ventilation. And anyway, that's what we got here for our. We're gonna put the meat birds in here, and we used it last year for raising baby chicks outdoors and move them around the yard. So just kind of like to share what we got going on here, but this is not a design that I would recommend somebody copy necessarily. It's got some problems, and it's not easy to move. Needs some wheels or a cart built onto it, and when you start with old junk wood, well, you can't expect too much out of it. So it's already kind of starting to fall apart. I did buy the couple pieces of tin, and then I bought some chicken wire and some hardware cloth and probably the screws. I probably still had near $100 in it just buying those things. So anyway, that's the little chicken tractor. Now we're gonna load it up with meat birds. No, because I got it unplugged right now.
If you were on the beer field, he would take a ton.
What other kind of shops do you have?
Uh-oh, a spider.
A spider? On Dad's camera, I see it.
Me too.
Oh, there he goes. What other kind of shops do you have in your fairy garden?
I don't know.
Yeah, huh? Donuts?
And there was a spider on Daddy's camera.
The donut shop.
I can't find my way. Right here.
Where's it gonna go? Where's donut shop?
Where's that spider?
Get it! Say hey, Spidey. Nope, didn't go in. Can you tell Dad about your fairy garden?
I already made it.
Well, tell him what's in it. What's it doing?
Where's the spider?
You might have to like dig the dirt a little bit.
Oh,
So dig the dirt around, make it sit level.
but I don't have my finger.
Or just use your hands.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take them all out
Oh, okay.
to make it easier.
Oh.
I have to dig around them.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
I don't want to put anything over here. Right, Dad? Dad, I don't know. What is going to be a carrot?
Well, your carrots should have come up, but they haven't come up yet. Those darn carrots, we've got bad luck.
What is this carrot?
No, I don't think so.
What is
That's a weed.
it? Should I pull it? Thank you for watching Cockadoodle Crew.
Blue.
We'll see.